I enjoyed this class because it helped me learn how to build a wooden boat on a small scale, which gives me some bragging rights.
When I think about the boat building class, I think about
Fun.
Exploration.
Involved.
Creative.
Supportive.
Patience.
I think about a space for me to explore and really get to understand math in a way I haven't before.
Different.
Delightful.
Friends.
Everyone was just so invested in making sure that all of us were on the same page, that it made learning much more doable, because we were always willing to pause and take a few steps back before we would move forward.
Connection.
Working in a remote space is challenging. And on top of that, working with a hands-on project remotely is challenging on top of challenging. But I really appreciate the team and the experience that I've had. I felt a lot of support and inclusion.
The first time that I heard about this program, I said, wow, it should be something enjoyable. So I did it and I enjoyed it.
This class helped me improve my crafting abilities and helped me explore how to build things in creative ways.
This boat building project was very interesting to me. I'm glad to have been and continue to be a part of it.
This class offered something that my other classes didn't. It helped break up the monotony of my other demanding classes.
When I think of boat building, I don't really know what to think. It's new to me. But I'm excited about the possibilities, and I'm excited to do something with my hands right now, something that I can create and be proud of.
Here's the boat.